officer to inform you back is equal or less than 20 working days, not normal days. It does not include holidays. It does not include the weekends. It includes only 20 or less than 20 working days.
As far as Pakistan is concerned, so Pakistan का जो period है that is of 21 days. और अगर 21 days में आपने अगर कोई application दी है और 21 days में आपको reply नहीं आता है, तो उसके बाद आप जो है वो ombudsman का आप लिख सकते हैं. अच्छा, और अगर 21 days में ही वो reply करना होगा उनको, तो वो आपको बता देंगे कि either this information should be provided to you or not.
If you have any complaint regarding the information you are not getting or you are not receiving, you can apply to you can complain about the specific person anytime. It is not bound that you have to report back in 30 days or anything.
Review appeal or process for Pakistan is within 30 days or complaint to Mutasib of federal text.
The penalties of destroying the evidences and the material depends on the severity of the case. It is not predefined and it will be decided by the court of law.
In Pakistan, it is defined and can be of 2 years. The punishment can be of 2 years and it can exceed to 10,000 rupees.
Reporting and monitoring of the information and the providing of freedom of the information is annually submitted to the by the Information Commissioner to the government. There is definitely a monitoring and reporting committee over this too.
In Pakistan, there is no such provision.
Implementation, there is the presence of a department, as I have already told you. This comes under Information Commission in England. Okay.
In Pakistan, there should be availability of records. There should be a strong communication or network system between the administrators, so that if I need any record from you, so you can give me through that communication network. This thing should not be made that if I have to get this information, so I should be going to that concerned authority and I should be asking. There should be a communication network so that it can become easy for me to get the information from the one place rather than moving all over.
In the last, I would thank you all for bearing us out, and in our group, I would like to introduce you our group.